Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can use a free online platform which is actually very cool. It will help you to create different types of graphics and different types of templates that you can use for different marketing activities that you have in your business, like Facebook covers, Twitter covers, YouTube thumbnails, different envelopes, business cards, and other things like that. You will see that you will have a multiple of templates and layouts from which you can choose and from which you can select the one that it's fitted for you and for your needs in your marketing activity. Now, the platform that I want to share with you in this video and show you exactly how you can use it, it's called Relay. Now, first things first, what you have to do is go to the web page or website that you can see right now on my screen here in my browser address. So relaythat.com. Okay, basically the name I think states it all. You take everything that you have, graphical elements, okay, images and all that other stuff, and you just simply relay it, okay, put it in a different order, create a different layout, because that's what the app is all about. Now, what you want to do after you come to this page, you want to sign up for free. You will see this big button here, sign up free. Okay, you create a free account and afterwards you will be able to log into your account. Now, I will log into my account, which I've already created, and I will show you step by step how you can create some designs, okay, which are the options that you have using this amazing app. And I am sure that you are going to love it 100% and that you are going to use it into your business or even for personal stuff, I know, like Facebook personal covers and other things like that, okay, just to have fun, let's say so. So after you have created your account, if you go back on this page here, relaythat.com, you will have this option. Okay, as you can see, for me it's account log out. For you it will be login. You log in with your credentials. Now I will just press here on this button and it will bring me back to this page. Okay, so basically you will see that I have this menu here, okay, layouts, projects, archive, go pro. Obviously all online platforms that have a sign up free button and have a free version have also a paid version for those that want more from them, and also like a short training if you want to understand better how to go through the app, but it won't be the case because you will have already been through this course and you will know how to use it. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is go to the layout section here. So I will just click on the layout section. And basically here is the editor. Here you will select your layout, your templates, absolutely everything. Okay, now what you'll see here in the left side is a menu from which you can select your templates. You'll see that they are organized in let's say in different categories based on the purpose that you want to use the design for. Like for example, posts, okay, for social square posts, social white posts, like for Facebook, for Instagram, for Twitter, covers, Facebook cover, Twitter header, creators, maybe, I don't know, you want to create a mockup or an infographic or a book cover, a book promo, or even presentations, okay, or album cover. Ads, maybe you want to create a Facebook ads. So for those of you who are running Facebook ads for their businesses right now at this moment, this tool can actually be very useful. And you'll see that you also have a set of tools here, like cropping photos, Snapchat filters, collages. If you want to create collages, I know, for personal reasons or to expose like a portfolio of your business. Maybe you are a photographer or you have different types of products into your business. This tool can actually be very useful. An Instagram plan, watermarker, if you want to add watermarks to your photos. Again, maybe you are a photographer or something like that. That tool can be also very useful, and we will go fast through them so you can just have like an idea, because they are very easy to use. And if you are interested specifically in one of them, you will discover on your own how to use it, because you will see it's very intuitive and easy to use, as I specified before. Now let me go back to, okay, in the upper part of my dashboard. The first thing that you are going to see in your menu here is this theme section. And if I will click on this theme section, you will see that I have a number of themes here, okay, through which I can scroll. Basically, this type of themes will change the colors and the fonts that I use for all of my templates that I can see here. So basically the themes are like something that come over the templates. It will change the colors and the fonts that you are using in any of your templates, okay, or in any of your graphics. For example, let's select the first one, Facebook branded. I will confirm it, okay. And as you can see, it changed the fonts here, it changed the colors to all my logos and other stuff like that, okay. Now here, if you will see this other section in the menu, in the left side menu, layouts, here we can basically see all the layouts that we have, so we don't have a specific order. If you just scroll down, you will see a lot of layouts, and we don't want to see them all. Actually, we want to go straight to the point. So what we want to do is scroll a little bit down, and we will find the sections from which we can actually select the templates we are interested in. So for example, right now, maybe I'm interested in creating a Facebook cover. All I have to do is go with my cursor over this title here, Facebook cover. I will press here or click here with my mouse, and you will see that okay, the templates will load for me. Okay, so as you can see, I have different types of templates here for my Facebook cover, right? Now, obviously, the images that you can see here, for example, let me select this one. Okay, all the images that you can see here are for one of my businesses, so this is not something that you will randomly get from the program. Okay, these images with gardening stuff and flowers and somebody gardening. Okay, these are images that I've personally uploaded. Obviously, you can upload your own images, there's no problem with that. So basically, how you can edit this template, for example, you have these images here, okay, and you'll see that you have photos here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the backdrop, okay. So basically the backdrop is the background of the template. As you can see, if I will go with my mouse here in the menu on the backdrop, you can see that I can actually see the whole image, okay, the whole photo in the editor. Then you can see that I have the fourth image here with the call to action. What I can do is basically I can hide the image if I want to, okay, from this small button here, or I can edit the image if I want to. I don't know, add a certain effect to it, okay, make it darken, make it fader, give it a little bit of contrast. I have different effects here, okay. As you can see here, below the actual image, I have this editor like invert, okay, hue, vignette, okay, smooth. Let me go back, I don't like these effects. The contrast one, I like it, okay, and I have to confirm the effect if I like it, okay. I will confirm the adjustment by pressing on this button, and that's how I've edited my image. Now, if I want to, let's say, change the image, the only thing that I have to do is just click on it, okay, go to download section or wherever you have your images on your computers. You select an image that you want. I don't know, let me just find one as an example for you guys. Let's say that I will select this one, okay, and as you can see, it uploaded my new image here. Okay, it works the same for all the other spaces here. You can see the images here, you just have to click on them, select a different image, and so on, right? Now, above this section with your photos, you have the colors, okay. First of all, you have the shapes. You can hide the colored element, okay, basically the border of the shapes, or you can activate it, okay. So you can see that you have like this switch on and off button under all of your elements to hide it or, I don't know, activate it. And if I will click on the color of the image, I can basically change it. As you can see, if I'm scrolling down for the colors here, okay, if I'm going with my mouse over, if you have a look here in this part while I am playing with the colors, it will change.